Good morning. This video covers the top medical breakthroughs in health news as of April 12, 2026. Intro and the Holy Grail of Contraception. The lead scientists at Cornell University have reportedly closed in on a reversible, non-hormonal male birth control that temporarily stops sperm production. The impact: this breakthrough offers a safe alternative to traditional hormonal methods, providing a holy grail solution for male contraception that has been decades in the making. Alzheimer's and neurology, the early warning system. Sense of smell. New research suggests that losing your sense of smell might signal Alzheimer's years before cognitive symptoms appear. Scientists found brain immune cells destroying smell-related nerve fibers early in the disease process. Blood marker breakthrough. A blood marker called POW217 has shown over 90% accuracy in reflecting Alzheimer's pathology in the brain, potentially changing several years before symptoms start. Gut-brain connection. A landmark study reveals that gut bacteria produce harmful sugars that can trigger immune responses damaging the brain, potentially explaining the onset of ALS and frontotemporal dementia. The 2026 drug pipeline, oral revolutions. Weight loss pills. The era of needles may be ending. Orforglipron, Eli Lilly, is making waves as a daily weight loss pill, while Novo Nordisk has launched a once-daily Wegovy tablet in the US with self-pay pricing starting at $149 per month. Autoimmune and skincare. For the first time, oral drugs are challenging injectables. Icotrokinra, J&J, is the first once-daily pill offering biologic-level skin clearance for psoriasis. Twice-a-year asthma. GSK's Extensor is a potential game-changer for adherence, offering the same IL-5 targeting as current biologics but with only 2 doses per year. Cancer detection and targeted therapy. No more colonoscopies. A new AI-driven stool test has shown a 90% detection rate for colorectal cancers by mapping subtle microbial patterns in the gut. Precision smart drugs. Researchers have created a synthetic DNA drug that only activates when it detects a precise combination of signals from a cancer cell, minimizing damage to healthy tissue. Bladder cancer implant. The Inlexo implant, J&J, releases gemcitabine directly into the bladder, showing an 82% complete response rate in patients who failed standard therapies. Global health and public policy. India and South Africa. HIV prevention jab. South Africa is set to roll out lenacapavir this month, a 6-monthly injection providing nearly 100% protection against HIV. India medical education. The government recently reduced the qualifying percentile for NEET PG 2025 counseling to 0 for some categories to ensure thousands of vacant postgraduate seats are filled. Pure juice ban. In a major consumer health move, the FSSAI has mandated that brands remove 100% fruit juice claims from reconstituted juices, effective immediately. Quick hits and daily wellness. Asha Bhosle hospitalized. Legendary singer Asha Bhosle was admitted to Mumbai's Breach Candy Hospital yesterday due to a chest infection and exhaustion. Digital detox benefit. A new trial shows that just 2 weeks without mobile internet can restore sustained attention levels to those of someone 10 years younger. Versus meds. A massive review of 73 trials confirms that exercise is as effective as antidepressants or therapy for treating depression. Asterisk vitamin D deficiency. Depression, asterisk. Many adults are low in vitamin D, which can cause symptoms like fatigue and mood changes that may look a lot like depression. Vitamin D deficiency can be diagnosed with a blood test. If you're obese, have a darker skin tone, or are over age 65, you may be at higher risk for low vitamin D. WebMD. Lyme disease. Lyme disease is called the great imitator because it shares symptoms with so many other conditions. Lyme disease can cause overwhelming fatigue and cognitive symptoms that can look like depression. Other symptoms include headaches, fevers, and a skin rash called erythema migrans. This rash appears as a distinctive bullseye shape. WebMD. Disclaimer: this script is based on general medical information. All information must be verified before use. The creator, publisher and YouTube will not be liable or responsible for any negative consequences.